All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take the Mojave out for a little bashing out here in a little spot here. See what she can do. Same setup I had on it before. Just having just a little beast, guys. It's just set up. It's got the this truck just gets up and goes. Love how the front end lifts up on it. Oh, on a little rock out there. Wish it wasn't so rocky here, but don't have much of an option lately with all the weeds. You can see how. Oh. Oh, what is that hitting? Yeah. That was a brutal one. And let's go up here and see what we can do up here. Ooh. I'm afraid to do burnouts in front of me. It's spitting so many rocks out. Gotta let off the throttle when it comes. Broke it, guys. Looks like a screw just came loose. So we're gonna go take this back to the car and see if we can fix it real fast. Let me get out of there. Hey. Let's see what we got here, guys. Bend you down a little bit here. See if we can maybe film this for you too. Always bring my little racing kit, but bring a little set of screws. Hoping this one will work. It's probably close to the size. It's probably a 2.0. Yep. Of course, I will need a 2.5. I think that'll work. Let's see if we can get this in here without taking off the rim. I really don't want to take the rim off if I can help it. A little bit more running time out of it, and then we'll get it back to the house and Loctite it and all that good stuff. I think it's all right. Other than that, I know it hit that thing hard, so see, I think I can get this in there too. Get a better little bite on it. I just have the double nut locks on these wheels, so I'm trying not to I think that'll work. I think that'll work. Okay. Looks good to me, guys. All right, let's get this back over on here. All right, get it back out there, guys. Oh, don't. Oh, yeah. I should be able to gear this up a couple more teeth if I wanted to. The motor stays nice and cool. And it, but I'm thinking this is a good all around right here. I'm just liking how this is set up for this be good on some nice nice low cut grass. But I like how it slides in the dirt and the rocks. Car's just a beast. Oh, 2 wheels. All right, there you go, guys. Arrma Mojave. I gotta say, one of their best cars to run. It's just a beast. It rolls up on its wheels all the time, or 90% of the time. It just gets up and gets. It's not a good flyer. It will fly. You see people jumping pretty high, but their body's just like a parachute. So, but yeah, thing's a beast, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.